Children, we have 26 letters in English. Okay? Out of them, only 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Rest of them are consonants. Okay? Here see, when a singular naming word began with a sound any of the consonants, we use a before the word. Here observe mango. Here observe children, when a singular naming word began with a sound any of the consonants, we use a before the word. For example, a mango, a clock, a toy. Here starting with all consonants only. M, C, T. These are all consonants. That's why we use these words before a only. Okay? Let's learn usage of a and with several examples. What is this? This is a single apple. So, we have to use a or an before it. But apple starts with sound of a. So, it is a vowel sound. So, we will choose an apple from these. So it is an apple. Okay. Next example. What is this? This is a mango. So here we have to use a mango or an mango, children. Mango starts with sound of am. So it is a consonant. That's why we use a mango only. Understood? So children, we learn that we use a or an before singular naming word, and that for using an is the naming word should begin with a vowel sound. Understood? And the word for using a is the naming word should begin with a consonant sound. That means like this, C letter. Okay? A cat, an apple. A line and line. Children, here starting letter in the line L. L stands for consonant. That's why here we choose a line. A octopus, an octopus. Here starting letter octopus O. Vowel sound. That's why here we choose an octopus. A fan and fan. In this word starting letter F consonant sound. That's why we choose a fan. A hour, an hour. Here children observe carefully. In this word hour pronunciation very important. H silent. H is consonant. But we pronounce hour, O sound, starting with O sound. That is vowel sound. That's why we choose here an hour. Next one, the. This is an umbrella. The umbrella is big. The is used before a naming word when we have already talked about it. See children, here examples. Already we have talked completed action. This is an umbrella. That's why in the second time we use specification of this umbrella. That means the umbrella is big. See children, here few more examples of the. The is also used before names of seas, rivers, oceans. For example, the Ganga, the Indian Ocean. The is used before names of famous buildings. Example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. The is also used before names of things that are only one of their kind. Examples, the sun, the moon and the earth. See children, we use the to introduce plural nouns also. Example, the bicycles, the books, the erasers. Particular things. In that particular things before we use the article. That means definite article. Okay? So children, all of you open page 20 in the textbook. Here we are given some questions from the story. Each question have 3 options. Which is the right one? Read and put tick mark for that correct answer. Okay? Why was the big race about to be cancelled? Why children? What is the reason? It was raining? No. The competitors did not arrive on time? No. The competitors had dropped out of the race. One by one soon they are dropped out of the race. Is the reason. Okay. Second one. Why did O.C. laugh at Marfo? Marfo looked funny? No. Marfo was very shy? Yes, Marfo was very shy fellow. That's why O.C. laughed at Marfo. Next one. What was O.C. thinking when he shot off at a fantastic speed? He thought, what is his third children? That Marfo would never be able to catch up with him. Why? Because Marfo was very lazy and shy. That's why he thought that Marfo would never be able to catch up with him. Okay? Who reached the finishing line first? Marfo? O.C.? Both of them reached it together. So what is the answer? You know very well. Both of them reached it together. What does the story The Big Race teach us? So what we have learned from this story children? It is better to win a friend than win a race. Helping is very important. We must try and help people whenever we get the chance. We must not be jealous of others. Okay children? Moving on to next page, page number 22. Look at the way the words a, an and the have been used. See children, just now we have learnt where we use a, and the articles. Yes, we use a article when the word that comes after it begins with a consonant sound children. You know very well what are consonants. Yes. Next, we use an article when the word that comes after it begins with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U or vowel children. These letters, words, before only we should use an article. Okay? Remaining letters, words, before we use a article. See here, a tree. Correct. Why? Because starting letter T in this word, T is consonants. That's why we should use here a article. Second one, observe. Apple. A is the vowel. So that we use here an article. Igloo. I is vowel. So we can use here an article. Yak. Y. Y is consonant. Here an article use. So this one wrong. Okay. B, box. B is consonant, children. So that here use A, article. Correct. Ear. Y is vowel or consonant, children? Y is consonant. So here used an. Wrong one. So A is the correct article. So here you can put wrong mark. Umbrella. U is vowel. So here used A. This is also wrong. Why? Because U vowel. So that you can use here an. An umbrella is the correct one. A umbrella wrong. Next, ostrich. O. O is vowel or consonant? Vowel. So that we use here an. An article correct. An ostrich. Next one, ear. E is vowel, children. So that here used A. Ear is wrong one. An ear is correct. Next, painting. P is consonant. So here used an. This one also wrong. Here A painting is the correct one. Okay. Next one, the article. We use the when we mention a person or a thing a second time. Okay, children, we can use second time person or thing name. At that moment, we can use the article. For example, Nina has a pet cat. Pet cat. In the second sentence, the cat is very naughty. We are already discussed about the Nina's cat in the first sentence. So in the second time, we can use cat before the article. Okay? The cat is very naughty. We are talking about particular that cat. Whose cat? Nina's cat. So that we can use the article. We also use the when there is only one such thing, one kind of things only, children. For example, the moon is shining brightly tonight. In this place, we can use the sun, the earth also. Only one such thing. Okay? And the next one, when it is clear to the reader or the listener who or what we are talking about, the singer has started singing. We use particular person before also the article. Before some proper nouns such as the names of oceans, rivers and mountain ranges. See here the Indian Ocean, the river Ganga, the Himalayas. When we are using the article specification or particular word before, we can use the article only. So now here some blanks are given. Complete these sentences with a, an or the. The table is made of wood. Here see, we are talking about particular the table. The table is made of wood, so that you can use the article. We saw an eagle flying in the sky and a woodpecker on a tree. See children, here eagle, blank after word, observe first. Eagle, in this word E is vowel, so that we can use an article. Here woodpecker, wood, W. So W is consonant, so you can use here a article only. So like that you can complete these remaining blanks also, children. Here see the third one. I went for a walk in the morning. See here walk before we can use a article because consonant W is consonant, so that you can use a article. Morning, particular time, so you can use the article. Like that you can complete remaining all the blanks, children. That's all for today's session. Thank you everyone.